everyone, I am Dr. Anisha, a PG resident of Oral Medicine and Radiology. Are you one final year student who has confusion between pulpotomy and pulpectomy, which is one of the most important viva questions in the examination? So let me clear that for you. Both pulpectomy and pulpotomy are pulp therapy procedures which are done in primary tooth. Now when I talk about the basic difference, it's very simple. Pulpotomy is just the removal of coronal pulp, while in pulpectomy we remove entire pulp including the pulp of the canals, right? Now it's very important to understand when do we do pulpotomy. Pulpotomy हमें कब करना चाहिए? So whenever caries is restricted to the coronal pulp or the only coronal pulp is infected and the infection has not spread to the pulp of the root canals, तब हम pulpotomy कर सकते हैं. So therefore pulpotomy is a vital pulp therapy procedure, right? Now coming to the indications of pulpotomy, क्या क्या indications हैं जिनमें आप pulpotomy कर सकते हैं? Patient should not have any kind of swelling, pain or abscess. Also, they should not have any kind of pathological root resorption. So in such cases, pulpotomy can be done. Now after the removal of the coronal pulp, we can place the medicament and then the tooth is restored by using a stainless steel crown. Fine. So this was all about pulpotomy. Now pulpectomy is done when entire pulp of the tooth, including that of the coronal pulp and the radicular pulp are infected. Also it has to be done in a very non-vital tooth. So these are the conditions where pulpectomy can be done. Now as far as the procedure is concerned, सबसे पहले the entire canal is cleaned, shaped, and then it is filled with a resorbable material, right? Since it is a primary tooth, the filling material has to be resorbable. Now coming to the indications, again indications are very important from examination point of view and viva point of view. We can do pulpectomy when there is abscess, swelling or pain present in the patient. Also the patient has irreversible pulpitis in the tooth. So this was all about the basic difference between pulpectomy versus pulpotomy. I hope you will remember this. Okay, and again I want to repeat that this is a very important viva question in pediatric dentistry. So to know more about such topics and viva questions, you can subscribe to my channel BDS Lectures by Dr. Anisha Jha. Thank you so much.